Hi, welcome to our new video. In this video, I will show you how you can convert or copy a HTML or static website into WordPress theme. So in this video, I am using this website. This is my website. You can see there is a header and some description area. This area is and the footer. So sometimes the client asks for the same to same design. It's sometimes hard to copy same to same design on WordPress. So today I will show you how you can do that using AI. Create same to same website like this website or like any website that your client asks for you. So first of all, we're going to a new tab and click on this link. I will put this link on the description. It will redirect it to this 10 web IO and click here. You see here it's right, build your website in 1 minute with AI. Click generate your website. So now there is three options: generate AI, create a new website with AI. So if you want to create a total brand new website, then you use this option. You can use this option. We will use this option, recreate, convert a non-WordPress site to WordPress with AI. So let's proceed. We need to sign up. You are not only able to create the website, you can edit the website using Elementor. So the account is creating. Now here start creating your website with AI. You need to put the homepage URL. So I will just copy the homepage and paste it. Then do you have your own domain? If you have any own domain, you can put it yes, or you can buy a new domain from here. So I just put a dummy domain name. Now it's installing. So in this video you can see how you can edit your website also after creating the website using AI. Done. Now just click on the preview or edit the site. It will redirect it to this website. So this is the review site. We need to log in. Go back here. Click on this edit button. Copy this username and paste it. And copy this password and paste it. Click sign in. Now you can see the preview version of this website. So yeah, the site is look like same. The same images. Some images are not loading, maybe it's loaded. Yeah, the images are same, the layouts are same. You can see everything is same. Let's compare this. The footer, the images are same, the footer images are same. So you have successfully copied the website. You can see on the header there are only home page. We need to input all the pages manually because on a website there may be multiple pages like 100 or 200 pages. So just copy the pages as required. So I will copy this contact about us page, copy this page and go to this section, add new page, AI recreation, put the title, put the URL, recreate it. So the about page is also creating. The page also created. Let's preview the page. So we are now on about page. So the home page and about page here, and there is some misfunction. We can edit this using the header editor. I will show you later. Then see, everything is same to same. Everything is same to same like the reference website. To edit this site, to edit the header and the footer and the contents of this site, you need to click here and edit it. So you need to buy their 7 days pro for free. After this is a premium function. You need to buy their hosting and you will get 7 days free. Then you can see you can use the 10 web builder, the Elementor built-in Elementor builder, which is also a premium builder. You will get the builder free with this hosting package, and then you can edit everything of this website. The AI is advanced, but there will be some misfunctions like this. This can be fixed with the edit option. So let's have an overview of this dashboard. So they have their own dashboard. Here you can see the page speed backups. You can have backups, enable backups, and there are many more functions like e-commerce. You can enable the e-commerce with premium widgets and templates. Here we can see the themes. The theme is the 10 web, mm, the main theme, and we can see the plugins. All the plugins that are installed on these websites are here. Backups, here you can schedule backup and create backup. So that's all. This is how you can copy any website on this 10 web hosting, and the site will be on WordPress, and you can easily edit this website on the premium version using the premium Elementor tool. Thank you for watching this video. If this is helpful, let us know on the comment, and like and subscribe to this channel. Thank you.